Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Navi and in this lecture I am going to teach you be used to. So what is be used to? In order to learn be used to, we need to see the usage of be used to. So let's see the usage. So the usage is here, when you are familiar with action not new. When you are familiar with action not new, this is the usage of be used to. Now it's time to see the structure. So the structure is here. Now see the examples. So examples are, the for example is I am used to playing cricket. I am used to playing cricket. So this is what, when you are familiar with action not new. So this is what, this is not new. This action is not new for me. She is used to driving a car. Here we can see here. So she is used to driving a car means this action is not new for her. Getting me? Are they used to coming here? Is he used to smoking? Is he used to smoking? She gets used to driving a car. She gets used to driving a car. She does not get used to driving a car. Getting me? So definitely, what is be used to? When you are familiar with action, not new. Getting me? So in these all examples, what we are showing action definitely which is not new for us. Now it's time to see the structure of be used to. So the structure is here. Subject plus be is MR, get, become, used to, fourth form verb plus object. So what is mean by subject? Subject means doer. Here we have I, here we have she, here we have they, here we have he, here we have she, here we have she. Definitely. So these are what subject. Then we have be. Definitely in the place of be, what we use to is MR, get, become. If our subject will be singular, for example, if I say here she, so he, she, it, so this is called singular. If I say a subject will be plural, for example, if I say they, we, getting me, and you, or any plural name, so what we will use are. And if our subject will be I, so what we use am. And it's totally up to you what to use. You can also use get or become as well. Getting me? So here we have I, that's why we use am. Here we have she, that's why we use is. Here we have they, that's why we use are. Here we have definitely he, that's why we use is. And definitely we can also use get or definitely and become also. Getting? But because we have a third person singular, do you know third person singular means that he, she, it. These are called third person singular. That's why we added s. Getting me? So here we have is a negative. This is the way to make negative. Getting me? And then definitely we use you can used to, and then fourth form verb. And how many forms of verb do we have? We have fourth form, first form, second form, third form, and fourth form. Fourth form means ing form, and here we have ing form. And what is a verb? A verb which is used to indicate the is called verb. For example, if I say sit, if I say dance, if I say learn, if I say walk, if I say run. So these all words are what? These all words are you can say verb. Getting me? So here we can say playing, driving, you can say coming, smoking, driving. These all words are verb. Then last we have object. Object is very important. Without object we cannot get the meaning of the sentence. For example, I am used to playing cricket. I am used to playing cricket. If I don't use object or cricket, so you say I am used to playing what? I am used to playing football. I am used to playing hockey. Definitely you are confused, no? But as I am saying a cricket, you are no more confused. So object tells the meaning of the sentence. Getting me? So this was our lecture on be used to. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz Amanallah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.